folks, it's me again. What am I doing? See this thing right here? Well, there's not supposed to be that close. And when I put it in just to see for testing, it kind of got stuck in there. And I basically carefully put this in my vise between two leather gloves because it's been recently powder coated. And I have to get that out of there. And on top of that, I have to get what's inside there out of there next. So, with that said, I'm going to try using this thing. If I get this thing out of here, come on. Get in there. Doesn't want to work. Come on. What the hell's this thing doing? Get in there. Is this going that way? Shit. Come on. I'm using Pittsburgh. Is it Pittsburgh? Yeah. Pittsburgh 2-pound slide hammer. Now, if I can I'm trying to get this thing in here, which doesn't want to go for some reason. You know, I'm sure these things have super high tolerances. Doesn't look like it's got any tolerance in here. Does it even fit in there? See what I mean? Look. Doesn't even fit on that side. It doesn't fit. That's weird. It's like, great. Way to go, Pittsburgh. If anything doesn't even fit. It doesn't want to fit. That's wild. There's a piece that's in there. Well, what a piece of shit. Look, goes in this side, but does not want to go out the other side. There's something in the way. Let's see if I can bang it in there. Oh, there we go. Worst thing I could ever did. There we go. Shit. Not a good idea. Bad idea. Okay, this goes in here like a bad idea. Which way was that? This way or this way? Wasn't easier to say. Okay. Bad boys. There we go. If it doesn't fit, you just make it fit, right? Okay, that's the biggie one. Get the smaller one. It has little pins on it. See, little like dog legs, I guess. You kind of just put a pin in there, and I hope this works. I really do. There we go. Say dog legs. Ooh, dancing legs. And I'm guessing this goes in here. With the slide hammer. What I don't understand about this is they give you this like extension piece, and it doesn't make sense. It does not make sense. So I'll put that in there. Hopefully this thing doesn't eject out of here. I guess that's good enough. So I'll put that in there. Like so. Let's see. I got to put something in the middle. Push it apart. Let's see. Let's go like this. Put that in there. Like this. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Have I used one of these before? Yeah, in like my previous lifetime. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to put this here, that in there, and I'm going to pull it through. So it has some meat to it. Come on, get up there. See if I can get it to bite. Okay. Shit. Doesn't want to bite on it. do it. Let's see this freaking thing. Oh, let me try it again. You see what I'm doing? Doesn't want to. Doesn't want to come out. Doesn't want to catch. Let's see. I gotta find something to wedge in there. Something to give it a wedgie. See, I gotta get these to stay there. Hold on a second.